So I know this may be the cringe-worthy time for a lot of people out there, but these plastic bezels really need to come off. If I'm going to sand the opposite side of them well, this one's already pretty loose, but you see it has these tiny plastic tits that stick out. Now I can get my bezels off, clean them up, polish them with plastic polish. They're really in decent shape, just some dirt behind them. But when I talk about cringing, there's only one way, and it's like to break these. So viewer discretion is advised. If you're a little bit nervous, I just say go gentle. There we go. I would rather have, if I can pull that out of there, I would rather have the hole complete where I can glue that back instead of having that tab broken off. Only like one. There we go. Number 2's off. Same thing here. Only other way maybe is to drill that, and even then it's so brittle. I'll get it fixed up. After sanding, got all the loose, all the rough, all the funky stuff off. Even cleaned front side, most of the back side. Got something in store for this. It's our cleanup. Got one coat of just satin black on it. I'll do a little more detail work. Do about 2 more coats. I'll try to do them a little bit lighter, especially since it's plastic. Get all the way around the edge, and we'll see how it turns out. My plan here now is to kind of mask this off. End up using sterling silver metallic. This is acrylic paint from Walmart. You would usually use it on like a model or a anything that you want to paint, really. Use that in a small brush, and I'll outline all of this. Anything I want to be silver will be silver. These rings I was going to tape up, but I think I'm just going to do it by hand. So after all that's painted, I'll do 2 coats on that. I can then put down my paper here. I bought this PVC decorative film. Comes in a roll. Here's that roll. And I'll actually put that over this. So when everything's done, it'll look something like this. I got one piece finished. A little bit better than it was before. Painted it all black first. Taped it to hand brush my trim, and then put the contact paper on. So it's still wood grain, simulated wood grain, but it's wood grain. Not perfect, but it's really all I wanted.